breaking update coming in as Rahul Gandhi is expected to visit the state there amid the Congress power tussle as the buzz is now erupting as far as within the Congress circles in Karnataka, and he is expected to be received by the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. Now, there is a brief program there, what we are told that when he'll be landing at the Mysuru airport, and the Karnataka state leadership is expected to welcome Rahul Gandhi, including the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. There is said to be no formal political meeting that is scheduled. As far as when it comes to this very short visit, Nyamika, that we are told that Rahul Gandhi himself would be in the state of Karnataka. What's on the agenda?
Well, Amita, it is not a visit of Rahul Gandhi to the state of Karnataka. He is basically visiting Tamil Nadu today. He is going to Nilgiris to attend an event in a private school there. But he's going to be there in Mysuru as he is having a special flight from the national capital to Mysuru. And from there only he is going to be in Nilgiris via a chopper. But it is interesting to be seen that as he is also going to be welcomed by the senior leadership of the Karnataka Congress, as both the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka are expected to be present there to welcome Rahul Gandhi. It is really interesting to see because we have seen that till now there is no solution which has been found out by the Congress party regarding the power tussle in the state of Karnataka. There is no a formal meeting which has taken place between the two leaders with the top leadership of the Congress party. As last time we have seen that when both of these leaders were being present in the national capital, they were being told that there will be another round of meeting that is going to take place.
Yes, there was a lot of back and forth as far as multiple meetings that have taken place both in Bengaluru and in the national capital there. But it's going to be a pit stop as a brief visit that we are looking at, a stop over there, if we can call, of Rahul Gandhi, where he is expected to meet the leadership, where he is expected to be received by both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister before he actually reaches his destination there to the Nilgiri. Thank you very much for the moment.